All you'll need to make your flower crown is wire, scissors, floral tape, and your favorite flowers. Starting off, you'll take the wire first and measure it around your head to create the ideal shape for your flower crown. After this, you'll take a second piece and measure it to the length of the first, and then start to intertwine the two. Once you have the wires matched up perfectly, you can start intertwining the two to create a solid base for your flower crown. You can wrap it however way you prefer, although make sure you leave the ends open just like this so it's easier to attach them later on. When it comes to connecting them, I usually put them together just like this, and then push them together and twist, and try to smooth them down as much as possible. If there are any sharp parts lingering, don't worry, we're going to be using floral tape in just a second and that will help to get rid of them. Next, go ahead and pick your base layer for your flower crown. For mine, I'm going to be choosing filler greens and then adding flowers on top of them. When it comes to using floral tape, it's actually not a sticky tape, so the key to using it is tucking it and tightening it as much as possible, but you can also smooth it down with your finger and help to warm it up to stick a little better. And when we start using it on our flower crown, the way that I like to do it is I wrap it around my flower piece and then tuck it underneath and pull it tightly. And then to cover that up, we take the next piece and place it over the tape and then just repeat that same process of wrapping the tape around it, pulling it tightly, and then putting a new piece over it. It is tedious work, but it is so much fun and looks so beautiful in the end. One of my favorite things about making flower crowns is how you get to decide how minimal you want it or how full you want it. You could just have one layer of greenery around it and that could be your flower crown, and that's beautiful. Or you could fill it up with a variety of different flowers. The option to get creative with it is one of my favorite things about making them. A quick tip I also wanted to share if you're looking to make your flower crown look a little bit fuller is to take two pieces of greenery and then put a flower piece in the center of those two and then group them together. When you group them together, it creates a much fuller, more earthy look. And when you tape them on there together as well, it's also a lot less work than taping them all individually. And after that, your flower crown is finished.